Welcome to Kiddo Fun.
Like and subscribe to Kiddo Fun for more bedtime stories and fun adventures.
Penny the Little Penguin's first snow slide. Penny the Little Penguin loved watching the snow sparkle. Every day she watched bigger penguins slide down a snowy hill. They laughed and cheered together. Penny wanted to try too, but she felt a little scared. "What if I fall?" Penny whispered. A friendly seal smiled. "It's okay to be nervous," said Sammy the seal. "You can do it." Penny took a deep breath. Then she pushed herself forward. Whee! She reached the bottom safely. Everyone cheered for Penny. Penny laughed. "I want to slide again." From that day on, Penny wasn't afraid to try new things. The end.
What did we learn today? Be brave. Try new things. You might surprise yourself.
Like and subscribe to Kiddo Fun for more bedtime stories and fun adventures. See you in the next story.